Imagine a universe teeming with life, with civilizations far advanced than ours. But why haven't we found any? The Great Filter might have an answer. Let's explore this concept, the Great Filter. It's a proposed solution to a perplexing question known as the Fermi paradox. The paradox stems from a simple query: with a cosmos so vast, filled with countless stars and planets, why haven't we discovered any signs of extraterrestrial life? The Great Filter offers a possible explanation. It suggests the existence of a hypothetical barrier, a monumental hurdle that prevents civilizations from spreading across the universe. This barrier could be anything: a cataclysmic event, a technological disaster, or even the self-destruction of a civilization. Idea is that every civilization has to face this filter, a test so formidable that it could potentially wipe them out before they have a chance to explore the cosmos. Great Filter, then, is a wall that civilizations must climb over, a challenge so great that it wipes them out. Now, where does humanity stand in relation to this Great Filter? There are two possibilities. The first possibility suggests that we, as a species, have already navigated the treacherous waters of the Great Filter. We've come a long way, haven't we? From the primordial soup, single-celled organisms wriggled into existence, initiating the grand tapestry of life. Then through eons, these humble beginnings bloomed into spectacular diversity, with humanity as one of its most complex manifestations. We've journeyed through the gauntlet of evolution, surviving mass extinctions that wiped out a majority of life on Earth. We've emerged from the jaws of death, not once, not twice, but 5 times. Think about the rise of intelligence, a feat not so common in the vast expanse of the cosmos. We've developed language, cultures, technologies and societies. We've looked beyond our blue marble, reached out into the vacuum of space and set foot on our lunar companion. All these accomplishments might suggest that we've passed the Great Filter, that we've survived the cosmic odds stacked against us. Then we have the second possibility, that the Great Filter is not behind us but ominously looming in our future. As we march forward in time, we may encounter challenges of unprecedented scale. The spectre of nuclear war continues to cast a long shadow, with the potential to snuff out civilization in a radioactive heartbeat. Climate change threatens to disrupt our ecosystems, making our planet less hospitable. And then there's artificial intelligence. As we inch closer to creating non-human intelligence, we run the risk of being outsmarted by our own creations. These future challenges could represent the Great Filter, waiting to test if we are worthy of becoming a galactic civilization. So either we've already overcome the Great Filter, or it's waiting ominously in our future. In either case, the concept of the Great Filter urges us to reflect on our past, consider our present, and prepare for our future. What if we find life elsewhere in the universe? The implications could be terrifying. Let's mull over this for a moment. There are 2 distinct possibilities we need to consider: finding simple life and discovering advanced life. First, imagine we stumble upon simple life forms, say microbes on Mars or single-celled organisms in the icy moons of Jupiter. This might seem exciting at first. After all, we're not alone in the universe. But here's the kicker. It suggests that the Great Filter, a hypothetical barrier preventing the rise of advanced civilizations, lies ahead of us. If simple life is common, but intelligent life is not, it implies that somewhere between these 2 stages, civilizations are meeting their end. For us, that means our future might be fraught with insurmountable challenges that could potentially wipe out humanity. Now let's flip the scenario. What if we encounter advanced life, civilizations that have mastered interstellar travel or are harnessing the energy of their entire galaxy? This would suggest that we've already passed the Great Filter. The existential threats that might have doomed other civilizations have, in our case, been overcome. Sounds relieving, doesn't it? But here's a sobering thought. If the filter is behind us, why haven't we encountered other advanced civilizations? Could there be other filters we're yet to face? Whether the Great Filter is ahead of us or behind us, it presents an existential risk. If it's ahead, we must prepare for challenges that could threaten our survival. If it's behind, we must grapple with the Fermi paradox, the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence for such civilizations. So the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, the silence of the universe might be more comforting than you think. The absence of contact with alien civilizations might not be a sign of our loneliness in the cosmos, but a testament to our survival against the odds.